After opening new Canva project, click on the background and go to background color. Scroll down to gradients. Let's choose any gradient style. Let's choose this one. And go to uploads. And after uploading your image, drag it to the design. Remove the background. And go to edit. Scroll down to filters. Click see all. And scroll down to Duotone. Click custom. And go to highlights and click pick a color. Let's pick the color from the right. Click shadows, pick color, and let's pick the color from the left and go to apps. Type image blender, choose this app, choose fade linear, and adjust this points for the fading of the image. Decrease the strength and click save and go to edit, adjust, and scroll down to clarity, increase 200. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.